example 4 on page 356. Factor x squared plus 17x minus 1 and 10. Okay? And this already in the form x squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Your job is to figure out which number you can use as the factors of c. What is c? C is 1 and 10, right? But c actually negative number, negative 1, 1, 0, okay? So what does it say? If c is negative, then one factor is positive and the other is negative. So if c is negative 1, 10, it's negative value. When you factor out c, one factor will be positive, the other factor will be negative. The size of the two factors will be opposite. So c is negative 110, okay? Let's see. Negative 1 times 110 is negative 110, right? How about 2? Negative 2 times, let me use comma, so just separate. There are two factors, okay? These two factors, when you multiply, we'll get the c. Negative 2 times what? 110 divided by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtracts 1, 0. What times 2 is 10? 5 times 2 is 10. So 55. Negative 2, 55. Does 3 work? No. Does 4 work? No. How about 5? Yes. Negative 5. Yeah, negative 5, you would get 1, 1, 0. 5, 2, 1, 0. What times 5 equal 10? 2. So 22. Okay. And let's see. Anything else? 6? No. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 work. You get 10. 110 divided by 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Subtract, you get 1. Carry 0. 1 times 10 is 10. 0, so 11. Okay. Now, I just put the sign to one of the factor, okay? Like negative 1, negative 2, negative 5, negative 10. But it could be that this positive 1 and this value is negative 1 and 10, okay? I just put the sign here, but it could be the other way around, okay? It could be 2 is positive, this is negative 55, this could be positive 5, this is negative 22, this is positive 10, this is negative 11. Okay? Remember, you try to get b. The sum of these two factors will get you the value of b. And what is b in this case? B, go with the x, right, which is 17. So b is 17. You want to find the sum of these two factors to make 17. Let's try negative 1 plus 1 and 10. You would get 109. Okay, now this is not b for sure. How about when you reverse the order? 1, positive 1 this time, negative 110. You would get negative 109, and it's not the b value. You know, these two factors are not. How about this? Negative 2 plus 55, 53. This is not b. How about reverse? You have 2, subtract 55, you would get negative 53, and it's not. How about this case? Negative 5 plus 22. What is 22? Subtract 5. 12 subtract 5, 7. 1. So 17. And this is still not the value of b we're looking for. Actually, it is. Sorry. This is the value of b we're looking for. Alright? Now, if you do the other way around, where 5 is positive and 22 is negative, you would get negative 17. And this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the positive 17, okay? Now, when you found it, you don't have to worry about the rest, okay? So, when you're looking for the right factors, that sum equal to b, you can scan through and see which one is possible. And for me, when I look at it, I know that the sum of this 1 and 10 and -1, or the other way around, 1 subtract 1 and 10, no way I'll get 17. So you don't need to do all these work. I just want to show you how you would do it. And same thing here. You know that the sum of -2 and 55, no way you would get 17. So more likely, this number, okay, or this number, but look like this is this one. And it is when -5 plus 22 is 17. So you know that this is the K. These are the two factors. Alright, so when you factor out x plus, what is the factor? X plus, what is the factor? The factor is -5 and 22. Okay, simplified, we get x subtract 5 times x plus 22. Okay, is the answer of, for example, 4 on page 356.